Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom rug. This one's going to be a Batman one, but you can literally do any design you want. I just picked out a hammer bead like pattern and decided to use pom-poms instead of hammer beads. So it can be any kind of design you want. So to start off, you're going to need to make obviously loads of pom-poms. So it doesn't matter how you make the pom-poms, there's loads of different ways of making them. I personally like to use a pom-pom maker. I just find it quick and easy to do, but you want to make all the pom-poms the exact same way because you want them to be the same size. So you need to make however many you need for your design and in the right colours. So I think I had a couple of hundred pom-poms to make for this one, and also depending on the size of the pom-poms is how big your rug's going to come out. I use like small pom-poms. So next you're going to need a piece of fabric. I'm using this fake leather. Then on the back I've just drawn a grid, inch squares, and I'm going to use that for my grid of where I'm going to place the pom-poms. And then I'm going to use the pattern as the guide and just mark out where I want the different coloured pom-poms. And because I'm using like small pom-poms, I need the inch mark. If you're going to use larger pom-poms, you're going to need slightly bigger squares. So now all you have to do is, once you've mapped all it out, is get a needle and thread, pop it through one of your marks, like where the lines meet, to create a square, and then pop that through the middle of a pom-pom, pull it out, and then pop it down back through the fabric. And then you're going to pull that tight and tie it off. And this is literally all you're going to do for every square that you need to add a pom-pom. You're just going to do it the same way until the whole grid is filled, and then you just cut off any excess fabric. And that's literally it. It's going to take a while to do. It does get a bit fiddly the more pom-poms you put on, but that's all you have to do, and you've got a really unique rug. And there it is, all finished and done. So have fun making your own. I hope you enjoyed this one, and show me what designs you've come up with. At the moment I'm doing actually a Super Mario one, a lot bigger. If you want to see that, check out my Instagram page and you'll see updates for that. Thanks for watching. Bye!